Thank you, I appreciate it. That they paid for. A pre-approved, I mean a prepaid.
The fan is running, but the compressor is not on. And you can see that it's set for cool.
Okay, thank you. No, I appreciate your help, thank you.
The compressor's still not on.
You too. Bye. Did you record it?
Now it just... Yes, I'm recording it. The fan just kicked up to a higher speed, even though I didn't change anything, but it's still not blowing cold air. The compressor's still not on. The compressor just kicked on, and now it's starting to blow colder air, and you can hear the hum. You can hear it humming. It's blowing cold air. And it just shut off again. The compressor just kicked off. And this is what happens over and over and over again. The compressor kicks on for a few seconds and shuts off.
Is super cool. It blows out very, very cold air. I like how it swings, so it will basically push the cold air around the room. The display here is very, very easy to use. You have fan mode, you have a timer function, sleep mode, different levels, and it's very easy to use. Adjusting the temperature, very easy to read. Putting it up and down. And it's very cold. And you could turn the swing on and off, so it will just stay. And then put it back on. Very easy to use and adjust. It cools down perfectly. And it will stop once it gets to your desired temperature. So if you're at 70 degrees in the room, it will stop. It's really, really good.
Yeah, this is the EUHOMY air humidifier board. The inside air conditioner, 14,000 BTU. And as soon as I put it on and connected it to my window, look how small the window is. So I had to cut down the bracket to get it into the window. And it immediately started throwing out ice cold air immediately as soon as I turned it on. Okay? And when I installed it, it was about 92 degrees. And it cooled this room off within the hour. So, excellent. Excellent product. Keep up the good work, guys. Thank you.